So, it's time to add some sprites to the game. Check out the resources folder and download it. Extract this folder, choose all the sprites and drag them into our project. Now, we need to customize some settings in our sprites. Select stickman sprite. Change sprite mode from single to multiple. Hit apply. Now open the sprite editor and hit the slice button. You can see the sprite editor automatically slices all the sprites. We need to change the name of these sprites, like select this sprite and give it a name called ball. This one is go. This one is back. This one is stop. And this one is win. Also, don't forget to change the parent point as well. Choose the sprite one by one and select the parent point and move it to the center of his head like this. Do this with all the sprites. So now hit the apply button and close this tab. As you can see, now we can use these sprites individually. Do the same thing with join sprite. Change the sprite mode from single to multiple and then open the sprite editor, hit apply, slice the sprites and then apply and close the tab.